Now Lil Terry got a gun he got from the store. He bought it with the money he got from the stores. He robbed the candy shop, told her lay down on the floor. Put the cookies in the bag, take the pennies out the drawer. Look, Khalil got a gun he got from the rebels to kill the infidels and American devils. A bomb on his waist, a mask on his face. Prays 5 times a day and listens to heavy metal. Little Alex got a gun he took from his dad and he snuck in his school in his black book bag. His black nail polish, black boots and black hat. He gon' blow away the bully that just pushed his ass, his ass, his ass, his ass, his ass.
Another man today, shot him in his back as he ran away. Then I blew up his hump with a hand grenade. Cut his wife throat and she put her hands to pray. Just 5 more dogs, then we can get a soccer ball. That's what my commander say. How old? Well, I'm like 10, 11. Been fighting since I was like 6 or 7. Now I don't know much about where I'm from, but I know I strike fear everywhere I come. Government want me dead, so I wear my gun. I really want the rocket launcher, but I'm still too young. This candy give me courage not to fear no one, to feel no pain and hear no tongue. So I hear no screams and I shed no tear. If I'm in your dreams, then you're in this near.